Doha's airport is said to be the most luxurious in the world, but is it really worth the hype? From a 25-meter pool to a tropical garden inside the terminal, this place looks unreal. I'm exploring Hamad International Airport to see what makes it so special. Hey everyone, welcome back to Explore with jominta. If you are new here, we are a full-time travel family from the UK exploring destinations, cultures, and lifestyle experiences around the world with our kids in tow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next adventure coming up next. Join us, let's explore. We have just arrived in Doha, Qatar, and we are going to connect our main flight. So the journey has now begun. The long flight to Dallas, Texas. Guys, this is what is in front of me here as we enter the Hamad International Airport, one of the most luxurious airports in the world. Guys, let's explore. Join me. So we are at the Hamad International Airport in Doha, and this is what I have here. So you see someone taking photos with the elephant, and this is us here. It's almost 11 p.m. Yes, our flight is at 1:20 or something. So what we're going to do is just take you around, guys. This is a shopping hub, I've been told, or I've heard, and it's true. All the shops that you want are here. So you've got Ralph's Coffee, you've got Polo Ralph Lauren, you've got Tiffany & Co, Omega, all the shops here, Louis Vuitton. And I like this design. It's beautiful. It's like water, flowers and water and all that. That's amazing. And that's kind of a waterfall there. Yes, so before we go to the gate, we are trying to check out this place and also the orchard, which is popular. But I've seen this. This is amazing, guys. Wow, this is so amazing. First time here and I'm impressed. The features here are calming and it's really relaxing. Wow. So it goes round. I can't wait to see what's downstairs. People relaxing around. Ooh. And I can see people walk on that. So I think it's kind of a walk round. Oh, this is amazing. So down the escalators are where the eateries are. But we were so full, we didn't want to eat anything. But do well to check it out because that is where the orchard is. And you can walk through. There are benches around to sit on. And also we found out that there are this camping style thingy that was there and people were lying in it. So do well to check it out. Okay, so we've come to the orchard and you know what? They are real. Are they real? Let me just try it. Yes, they are real flowers or plants. Yeah, this is amazing. So this is the orchard. This is where the water feature comes down. And it's kind of, oh, okay, so that's it there. Ooh. This is really interesting. Wow, guys. Oh, so this, the gate to go here is let's go here this way. So this is us here. We who have come down to check out the garden or the orchard. Do I hear birds? I think I hear birds. And these are real plants. and trees. How do they do it? Is that plantain or banana plant? And apparently they have tried to bring so many plants from different places in here. So it's kind of interesting. So you can, see a plant and go like, oh, this is familiar from where I come from. Sorry, what did you say? Oh yeah, camping for maybe kids, or oh, there's an adult sleeping in there. Okay, so this is what we saw. Oh, so C, okay, that's our gate. So this is another gate, which is C56, and this is another area as well. Just a quick tour for you all. And this is it's palm. Yeah. So maybe this is ornamental palm. But I know this looks like palm tree, real palm tree, and fern. I know fern. I see. So this is upstairs where we were, and down here. So in fact, this airport is very huge, and because of our connecting time, which isn't so long, another time when we are here, yeah, we'll explore more. But this is amazing. You can see the ceiling. When you're traveling in the Middle Eastern countries, just look up, because I always say this, the ceilings are amazing. The architecture of the ceilings are so amazing. See the ceiling. See, wow. There you have it, guys. So this is a quick tour of the Hamad International Airport here in Qatar. Anytime you are here, just pass by, because you know what? You might think you wouldn't come down to check the garden or the orchard. Just come down, and it's amazing, relaxing. Yeah. So we'll leave you here. We're going to connect our flight and then head to Dallas, Texas. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the Dallas series. And this is Wagamama. This place is so huge. Wow. So these are shopping, so sweets, bags, perfumes, all that you can buy here. What I love about Doha Airport is that they have thought of every kind of traveler, whether you want to recharge, work out, or just unwind. Here are a few tips if you're passing through Doha Airport. 1. You can explore the airport freely, even on short layovers. 2. Use the free Wi-Fi. It's fast. 3. There's a free city tour for long layovers over 8 hours. 4. Try to visit the orchard. It's a must-see. Doha's airport is said to be the most luxurious in the world, but is it really worth the hype?